Today I'm unboxing this guy right here. It's the Black Lion Audio Bluey compressor, and I'll also be doing a quick review on it, plus I'll do some audio tests later on in the video, so be sure to stick around for that. I'm Zane, welcome to Simple Green Tech, where I do audio tech tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you conquer the tech and unleash your creativity. Now, I've included a link to the Black Lion Audio Bluey down in the description, so you can easily head down there, click, and get more information on this for yourself. Now let's open up this box and see what's inside. All right, so I ordered this back in June and just got it in September now. So I'm pretty excited to get this thing open and see what's inside. All right, a box within a box. And there it is. All right, so it's packaged all right. It's got some foam on both sides of it. You have your plug right there. And we'll see what else is inside. And there it is. And that looks like it's it for what's in the box. There's not even an instruction manual in there. Just the unit and the power cord for it. This thing is solid. It is a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. Wow. It feels very solid. And if you aren't aware about the origins of the Black Lion Audio Bluey, it's supposed to be an exact, or as close to an exact, replica of Chris Lord Alge's Bluey 1176 compressor. And if you're familiar with 1176 compressors, you can see this has a very similar layout, except for this knob right here. This is a mix knob, so you can control how much of the compressed and the dry signal gets through to the output. And on the back side of this, you can see we have a balanced output, a balanced input, and a stereo link. So if you get two of these, you can link them together. And then you also have your voltage selector over here and where your power cable connects to. So I just need to move some things around in my rack, get this set up, and then we'll do some audio tests. As you can see behind me over here, I have the Black Lion Audio Bluey all connected, and we're ready to take it for a bit of a test drive. And first I want to try it out on some vocals. All right, so I have the Bluey as an insert effect in this project here. It's on a simple vocal track that was a sample that I downloaded from LoopCloud. So let's hear how it sounds without the Bluey on it.
Hey girl, you're looking regular. Opting for your friend, can I go to bed with her? With you I have been, but I haven't been with her. You know how I am, can you put in a good word? Hey girl, you're looking regular. Opting for your friend, can I go to bed with her? With you I have been, but I haven't been with her. You know how I am, can you put in a good word?
You can really hear that punch that it gives. And one of the things that I just want to note is, out of the box, it came set with Chris Lord Alge's go-to settings for vocals that he's been using for years, which is 30, 18, 3, and 7. And another thing to note about these knobs is they are stepped. So it's very easy to recall your settings if you need to. So now let's try it in a rock situation. So I have one of my songs, and the vocal isn't the strongest. I'm not the strongest vocalist, so let's just give it a try and hear how it sounds with the Bluey on and off.
Living at home and your dad don't want you there. Toxic situation. Going to work and everyone gives you that stare. Toxic situation. Your so-called friend gives you the cold shoulder again. Toxic situation. Toxic situation.
And that's just the basic Chris Lord Alge setting that's set up right there. And I think it sounds pretty good. It makes my voice sound all right, I guess. And it sits in the mix quite well. So now let's change some things up a bit and put it onto our bass line. All right, let's listen to how this sounds in a mix. All right, so as you can see, I only have one of these Bluey units, so I can't do any stereo tests. So what I've done is I've rendered down a drum track to mono so we can test it on this mono drum track a bit. All right, so that's how it sounds on a drum kit in mono. Now I'm just going to test it out on just the snare. So here's the snare on its own. And now let's bring in the rest of the drums. All right, so that's a lot of fun on the snare as well. So let's try it out now on guitar. All right, now let's hear what it sounds like on the guitar in the mix. All right, I actually really like it on the guitar there. It actually brings some airiness to the guitar. And really, I think I could probably leave this on the one setting for pretty much anything. It sounds pretty good with that 30, 18, 3, and 7 setting. And then, of course, you do have the dry mix knob. I have it all the way 100% wet, but let's give that dry mix knob a try and hear how that sounds. All right, so that mix knob, it was pretty interesting. I didn't mind that. I'm going to have to play around with that a little bit more. The Black Lion Audio Bluey is a fairly affordable 1176 clone, and I think it sounds pretty good too. Now, I'm going to be comparing it to the Waves CLA 76 plugin, so be sure to subscribe so you can check out that video when it comes out. And if you want to see some Waves audio reviews, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube recommends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching for Simple Green Tech. I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.